Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to make another video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. And this niche is also in the back to school niche. Probably a lot of my videos this month are going to be in the back to school niche because that is the niche that is going to be popular right now that we're in August. So the niche or the phrase is it's a good day to do math. And it does have a little more competition than I like. This is right at 1,000. Usually I like, obviously the lower the better, but around the 200 or 300s. But we can see that a lot of these designs are fairly new and selling. So like this one was in July 4th, so just a month ago. This one was in February. This one was actually a year ago, but right here we'll see this one was in May. And we'll see that these designs, like this one right here, was also just actually a few days ago, and it's already selling. So there's designs that are popping up in this niche that were just uploaded and that are already selling. And the reason why I like this niche is because it's in the back to school niche. Like I said, it's going to be jamming here, this niche for the month of August. But like I said, there's a little more competition than I like on merch. So I think you can still do good in this niche on merch, but it's probably going to do better on some of the other platforms. Let's just take a quick look at test to see if this is trademarked. So it's a good day to do math. Hit enter. We will see that nothing pops up. But I think there's probably a better opportunity for this niche on like Etsy, because right here there's only 107 results. So that's like nothing. Be very easy to get on the first page here. You can also offer this in, not just a t-shirt, but on hoodies. Hoodies are also going to pick up in sales now that it's going to start getting, winter or fall or colder, and then if we go to Redbubble, there's barely any competition on Redbubble as well, only 169 results. And TeePublic, it doesn't say, but we're going to see that if we scroll down, there's not that much competition as well. So a good niche to get into because of the niche that's in, back to school. You could probably do well on this with merch, but also on the other websites as well, especially like Etsy, Redbubble, and TeePublic. If you go to Vexels and you type in math, you're going to see there's some clip art here. So you can do like a pie, maybe a calculator, things like that. I do have an affiliate link in the description, so you can check that out if you're interested. But that is the niche for today. It's a good day to do math. I also saw it's a good day to do some math, and with the sum, like right here, that's like kind of a play on words. So you might want to do two versions. I don't see anything on white, so maybe you can differentiate yourself and design for a white t-shirt because it looks like everything is black. Maybe do something different with like a rainbow instead, maybe a sunflower. Try and get creative. But that's the niche for today. Get your designs up, and hopefully you can get some sales from it. So thanks for watching the video. Consider subscribing, and I'll put another video up here to see my latest video that I just put out yesterday. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.